Vanakkam, dear students and fellow explorers of the cosmos. My name is Gerard Peter Kuiper, and though I was born in the Netherlands in 1905, my journey took me across the Atlantic to the United States, where I gazed deeper into the heavens than I ever thought possible. I am deeply honored to be here in India, thanks to the gracious invitation of Big Teacher, whose passion for nurturing young minds reminds me of why I look to the stars in the first place. Not just to see, but to wonder. You may know me as the so-called father of modern planetary science, a title that humbles me, for science, as you'll discover, is never the triumph of one, but the torch passed from many hands. So how did I begin? It all started with a childhood fascination, the quiet light of planets, the delicate shimmer of the moon. Later my tools became telescopes, spectroscopes, and the power of mathematics. In time, I made discoveries. Moons such as Miranda of Uranus and Nereid of Neptune. I peered into the thin air of Mars and found traces of carbon dioxide, showing that even barren landscapes had secrets. But what I am best remembered for is not something I saw, but something I believed must be there. The Kuiper Belt, though I did not name it myself. Long before it was observed, I predicted a distant region beyond Neptune, filled with icy leftovers from the solar system's birth. A realm too faint to be seen then, but vital to understanding our planetary origins. I wasn't the first to think it, mind you. Kenneth Edgeworth, a quiet mind from Ireland, laid some of the earliest groundwork. But my role, perhaps, was to shout a little louder to say, "Look again!" And decades later, in 1992, two brilliant astronomers, David Jewett and Jane Liu, finally did. They found the first Kuiper Belt object, proving that the edge of the solar system is not an ending, but a beginning of something vast and new. We all stand on shoulders. I must pay my respects to Percival Lowell, who sparked the search for Planet X, a search that led to Clyde Tombaugh's discovery of Pluto, and to my esteemed peers like Eugene Shoemaker, who gave rocks on distant worlds a story to tell. Among my successors, I salute Mike Brown, whose discovery of Eris sparked a debate that redefined planets, and Alan Stern, whose New Horizons probe flew past Pluto and sailed deep into the Kuiper Belt, capturing images I only dreamed of. To the young minds here today, the cosmos is no longer silent. It speaks through radio waves, light curves, and the icy footprints of comet dust. You, yes, you, can listen, can study, can explore. Join citizen science projects. Download real data from NASA missions. Ask bold questions about icy bodies, orbital mysteries, or the elusive Planet 9. Because science is not finished, it is unfinished by design, waiting for you to complete the picture. And so, my legacy is not a ring of frozen rocks. It is a way of seeing. A reminder that even in the cold and dark places beyond the known planets, there is still motion, mystery, and meaning. Thank you, Big Teacher, for inviting me here. Thank you, students, for the curiosity in your eyes. Keep looking up. The universe has more to teach you than any one man ever could.